Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for you guys, I have something new and exciting that I'm going to do on my channel. So the new thing I'm going to start on my channel is book reviews. Like, I read them, I enjoy them, so I want to tell you about them and inspire you to read them because they're awesome. So before I start, go ahead down below and subscribe to my channel if you like book reviews, and like this video if you like book reviews, and just subscribe anyways. Just do it. And thank you so much. Let's get started with this book review. So today I'm going to review for you guys two books that I have read. They're just the first book and then the second book of the conclusion of the same story. So I got both of them done, so I decided to do both of them in this one video. But the books I'm going to share with you guys and review and tell you about is by Jodi Ellen Malps, some way how to say her last name. I'm not exactly sure, but check her. I leave her link to her website down below. You can check out the rest of her books and check out this book as well. And so the first book I'm going to talk about is called The Controversial Princess, and the cover of the book looks like this. The Controversial Princess. Look at it. The book cover is awesome. And the second book and the conclusion of this series is called His True Queen, and the novel book cover looks like this, and it's awesome, just as awesome as the first book. So I'm going to start with The Controversial Princess first. So you guys, I really thoroughly enjoyed this book series, both these books in the whole, because it was just a little different, because it's obviously about a princess, and a lot of the books I have about romance novels, they were not about princesses, and all of that drama, that the behind the scenes that you don't see. I really liked reading it. Gist of this novel deals with a princess and how a princess falls in love with an American actor, Josh Jameson. The Princess Adeline Lockhart, and so it showed that side, the behind the scenes of all of that, and it showed that, you know, Adeline wasn't going to stay with the tradition, and she wanted to follow her heart, and she knew it wasn't right to her. She wanted to marry someone that she falls in love with, not just to make people happy. And she was controversial because she was, 30 and living life. She didn't stay with being just like stuck in that tradition and being so stuck up in a way, like everyone else was around her. And she followed her heart, more likely. And like the defined line in this book, and even the second book, was follow tradition of being a royal princess and all that, or follow your heart. She didn't really feel like she would marry anyone, because if she didn't fall in love, why would she want to marry? And when Josh came around, it turned a flip around on her, and it was surprising, and everybody can see it. And the book just captures you. First chapter that you read, and it's just like a nice easy read that you just keep reading, and you can visually see every aspect of when you read through this book. That's why I love this author. One of my favorite authors. She really makes her words be visualized in your mind and be like a little movie in your head that you just want to come back and read and keep reading throughout each chapter. So that's what happened in this book. A lot of things happen in this book, and it's very good. It's exciting. It's cool. It's something you should read. Jodi really captured the essence of that she's still human, and that she's still, 30 years old and still wants to live life. So yeah, I totally would recommend this book to anybody. It is a romance novel, so I recommend this book if you like romance novels. But if you haven't and you want to dip and dive into a romance novel book, you should try this one. It's really good, fast read. And then moving to His True Queen, it was amazing. Okay, it really captured the ending of their story. It starts where from the first book ends. It's a bam, boom, let's go. And so I really like this book too. It didn't like lack the likeness of each from book to book, and it just carried on to making the book even better and the story even better. The same question in this book: do you follow tradition or do you follow your heart? Continues on to this book until the end of what Adeline has to figure out. In this book, His True Queen, really Adeline wanted to show people that she's not just a disgrace to the family or just this controversial princess. She wanted to show people that she can do this, that she can be princess and she can be, you know, be something too. In this book, a lot has happened from the first book, the ending of the first book. That was a shocker of what happened, so go check that out. And then the second one just follows along, and it's just shock after shock after shock. It really showed the growth of Adeline and Josh, and the realness of their relationship, and it was really good. I just liked this book, this whole series really, because it showed something different, something new. You know, like it's always like romance novels always have like the same structure of what it is, but each novel is different, and each character, each location is different. And I like how it was about royal family, American guy coming together. So it's really nice to see and read, and I totally recommend this book, both books. Just read one, read The Controversial Princess, then His True Queen, because you're in for a treat. So if you read this and really enjoyed this book, go and check Jodi's other books out, because they're all amazing. I have read all of them except for one, so that means something, and she has a new one that's coming out too, so it's exciting. All her books are really good and need to be in your brain, okay? Needs to be in there. She's also doing based off one of her books, The Protector, which is a standalone book. She does a couple of standalone books and even a series books. So some standalone books she has is The Forbidden, All I Am, and The Protector. And then some series books is like this one that I'm doing the review today is the Smoke and Mirrors Duology, and then This Man series, which is 4 books, and then One Night series, which is 3 books. Okay, This Man series and One Night series, that what hooked me with Jodi. Those 2 books are amazing. I have them both. Get them, please, because they're good. So yeah, check all those out. But a little snippet I was gonna say before, for her standalone book, The Protector, she's making it as a movie, which is exciting because I read it and it's gonna be a movie, and she's making it now, and it's not out yet, but it's gonna be only showed on Passionflix. Passionflix, if you don't know it yet, you're gonna know it now. It's a like subscription thing like Netflix or Hulu or stuff. You pay $5.99 a month and you can watch movies based off of books. Check it out, because the movies that are the latest movies that are out now are awesome. Okay, I'll leave a link down below with that website. It's worth the month of $5.99 each month. Get it. You know, if you don't get it, you're lost. But I'm telling you, if you end up eating The Protector, or you're gonna want to watch her movie Protector on Passionflix. So I'm just telling you right now, it's gonna be awesome. This is the review, a little review, and what I liked about The Controversial Princess and His True Queen is worth the buy. So thanks so much for listening to me rant about my favorite books. I will be doing this very often because I read a lot. And I just love it. And I love romance novels and sci-fi and all that. So just wait, because I'll be recommending some good darn books. So thanks so much for watching. Go down below and subscribe to my channel. Give this YouTube video a like. If you like books, if you like Jodi, if you know these books, go ahead and give a like down below. Subscribe down below and share this down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.